Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan have always been in the spotlight, admired for their work yet constantly targeted by public speculation. Over the past few months, the couple has faced a fresh wave of divorce rumors that have taken over social media and gossip portals. But despite the noise, the two continue to prioritize what truly matters: their daughter, Aradhya. In a recent interview, Abhishek shared insight into the values they are instilling in their 14-year-old, offering a rare and intimate look at their family dynamic during a period filled with public scrutiny. Aishwarya has instilled a great respect in Aradhya towards the film industry and what we do. She has taught her that we are what we are because of what the films and audience have given this to us, he shared. As speculation about their marriage continues online, Aradhya remains grounded and self-assured at home. Abhishek described her as a confident teenager who is growing into her own identity. She has an opinion. She is a very sure teenager. She has distinct opinions which we discuss in private, but she has a wonderful way of conveying everything, he said. Interestingly, despite living in a digital age where information and misinformation spreads rapidly, Aradhya is shielded from online gossip for a very simple reason: she doesn't own a phone. She is 14 years old and she doesn't have a phone. If her friends want to get in touch with her, they have to call her mother's phone, and that's something we had decided a long time ago, he explained. While she does have internet access for academic purposes, celebrity chatter holds no appeal for her. She has access to the internet, but she is more interested in doing her homework and researching. She loves school, so she is into that, he added. When questioned about whether Aradhya ever stumbles upon rumors about her family, Abhishek responded, "I don't think she does that, and she won't believe anything that she reads. Her mother has taught her not to believe everything that she reads. We are completely honest with the family." Addressing another long-standing speculation, Abhishek also confirmed he quit smoking and drinking years ago. "I have stopped both of these, sadly. No, I don't touch them at all," he said. As divorce rumors continue to circulate, Abhishek and Aishwarya present a united front through their actions rather than statements. Their focus remains firmly on raising their daughter with clarity, confidence, and strong values, choosing grace and family over responding to gossip. November proved to be a month filled with both triumph and turbulence for Indian cricket star Smriti Mandhana. While she played a pivotal role in India's historic Women's World Cup win, her personal life faced an unexpected setback. Smriti was scheduled to marry musician and filmmaker Palash Muchal on 23 November 2025. However, the wedding was first postponed after her father, Srinivas Mandhana, was hospitalized due to a heart-related issue. What initially seemed like a delay has now been confirmed as a complete cancellation. This week, Smriti made her first public appearance since the news broke. Attending an event alongside India captain Harmanpreet Kaur, she opened up about how she has been navigating this difficult phase. "I don't think I love anything more than cricket. Wearing that Indian jersey is the motivation that drives us. You keep all your problems aside, and that thought alone helps you focus on life," Mandhana said, reflecting on how cricket continues to ground her. She also spoke about her lifelong passion for the sport and the dreams that shaped her journey. "As a kid, the madness for batting was always there. No one understood it, but in my mind, I always wanted to be called a world champion," she shared. Discussing her approach to life, Smriti highlighted the value of simplicity and hard work. "I have always been a very simple person. I don't complicate my life with overthinking. And one thing I believe is that if you put a lot of work behind the scenes, because what happens on the ground, everyone looks at it and judges on that, but what I judge myself or the team is the work which we put behind the scenes." Just days earlier, Smriti and Palash had publicly confirmed the cancellation of their wedding through Instagram posts. While Smriti requested privacy to focus entirely on cricket, Palash stated that he had decided to move on and cautioned that he would pursue legal action against those spreading false rumors. The couple has also unfollowed each other on social media, signaling a clear closure. Despite the emotional turmoil, Smriti Mandhana remains unwavering in her dedication to the sport. As she moves forward, her commitment to cricket and to taking India to even greater heights continues to shine through. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan once again proved why he remains one of India's biggest global icons. The young actor turned heads at the Golden Globes Gala dinner during the Red Sea Film Festival, and the internet hasn't stopped buzzing since. Salman looked effortlessly stylish in an all-black ensemble. Wearing a black suit with a matching shirt and tie, he exuded confidence and elegance throughout the evening. Inside photos from the gala have gone viral, showing him mingling with some of the world's most admired stars. One of the most shared images from the night shows Salman posing with Idris Elba and Venezuelan actor Edgar Ramirez. Other photos captured him smiling and interacting with Olga Kurylenko, Emad Iskandar, and several other attendees, highlighting his global camaraderie and charm. Speaking about his experience at the festival, Salman expressed his fondness for Saudi Arabia. He said, "I love it here. I like Saudi. A lot of people here like the culture. It's nice. I keep on visiting this place quite a bit nowadays, so it's good." He also reacted to Alia Bhatt being honored at the Golden Globes event, adding, "Yes, Alia Bhatt. It's amazing. I think only Saudi could have done this. It's amazing. They're going places really rapidly. It's a good thing. I like it that they bring their best and our culture together." From his stylish appearance to his warm interactions with international stars, Salman once again demonstrated why he is a beloved figure worldwide. On the work front, Salman is also busy preparing for his upcoming war drama, Battle of Galwan. Directed by Apurva Lakhia, the film features Chitrangada Singh as the female lead and promises to be an intense and gripping cinematic experience. From dazzling on the red carpet to gearing up for his next big film, Salman Khan continues to make waves, both on the global stage and back home in Bollywood. Akshay Khanna is experiencing one of the biggest highs of his career. His powerful performance as Rahman Dakat in Aditya Dhar's Dhurandhar has captured everyone's attention. And if that wasn't enough, his unexpected viral dance entry to the Arabic track Faisla has taken the internet by storm. Social media is overflowing with clips of Akshay vibing to Bahrainia rapper Flipperachie's song, and fans just can't get enough. Amid all the love and praise, actor and longtime friend Tara Sharma added her own heartfelt message. She shared a nostalgic, unseen throwback photo of Akshay, sending warm wishes as he shines once again in the spotlight. Posting the picture, Tara wrote, "A huge congrats Akshay. We haven't watched it yet but our Insta feeds are full of Dhurandhar, particularly this song and your entry. So here's a good luck message to you and all the team. Haha, this song, the swag, the aura. Having known each other since we were little, it's really fab to watch you stay true to your passion of acting." She continued, praising his nature and dedication, calling him perhaps the most private person I know, and expressing her joy that his quiet hard work is reaping rewards. For those who may not know, Tara and Akshay were once rumored to be dating. In a rare moment of openness on Karan Johar's chat show back in 2007, Akshay addressed the speculation briefly. He said, "That's a genuine relationship." It was one of the very few times he ever spoke publicly about his personal life. Reports over the years suggested that Tara and Akshay dated for nearly 2 years before parting ways. But what stood out was that they remained close friends even after. In fact, Akshay was invited to Tara's wedding to Rupak Saluja in 2007. At the time, Tara told, "Rupak is very fond of Akshay, we've always remained friends. So everything is amicable." As Akshay enjoys this massive wave of appreciation, the excitement is only growing. Dhurandhar 2 is already set for release on 19th March 2026, and fans are eager to see what the actor does next. From viral reels to heartfelt tributes, Akshay's moment is here, and it's only getting brighter.